exhibitors joining and participating in the World Travel Expo here in space. Now, hindi lang yan. Yes, because we have two activities that we would like to launch. The first one is really geared for the press people. This is what we call the World Travel Expo Content Creator Challenge. Can we show the reel of that? Now, the Content Creator Challenge is open for the media and, of course, some of the other guests of World Travel Expo. This is your chance to discover beauty, explore freely through your lens. Open to both exhibitors and visitors. The challenge invites you to capture the excitement of the World Travel Expo Year 9 and showcase what makes the event unforgettable. The highlight in your content should be the vibrant experiences inside the expo, the energy and creativity of our exhibitors and travelers, and the beauty of our venue, Space at One Ayala, Makati City. Now, how to join? You have to follow us on TikTok at World Travel Expo _ and Facebook World Travel Expo. You have to create and upload your most engaging content, meaning a vlog, a reel, or a short video or creative clip promoting the event, and use the hashtags WTE Year 9 or World Travel Expo 2025 or Creator Challenge. Tag or mention us on TikTok and Facebook posts. It must be set to public, yung mga post niyo po, para makita natin. And the prizes, the grand prize is 9,000 pesos, the second place is 5,000 pesos, and the third place is 3,000 pesos. Now, entries will be accepted until October 15, 2025, and the winners will be announced right here at the space during the event on October 19. So unleash your creativity, inspire travel, and share your vision of discovery and freedom with the World Travel Expo Content Creator Challenge. Maaasahan po ba namin kayo doon? Yes! Okay. So hindi lang yan, because meron din tayong TikTok challenge. Ayan. So the TikTok Dance Your Destination Challenge is also geared for the World Travel Expo guests. And syempre, media din. Pwede rin naman sumali. Now, all you have to do is again follow the official accounts on TikTok at World Travel Expo and Facebook World Travel Expo. Record a TikTok video performing the official Dance Your Destination choreography, which highlights the travel-inspired movements such as airplane wings, suitcase pulls, and waves. Tapos add your personal creativity by incorporating travel outfits, props, or visual elements. Upload your entry on TikTok with the following hashtags: Dance Your Destination, WTE Year 9, or the World Travel Expo 2025. And syempre, the grand winner will get to take home 9,000 pesos in cash prize. And syempre, kailangan magpasample dito mismo sa stage ng Space during our event on October 17, 18, and 19. And syempre, magdala ng kanilang mga hakot para merong audience impact. O, di ba naman? Okay, so those are the two activities that you will be experiencing or is open for everyone for the World Travel Expo. So with that, I think I had already a mouthful. It is time for me to introduce to you the lady behind the World Travel Expo for the past 9 years. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the Managing Director of AdAsia Events Group, OPC, Ms. Miles Caballero.
Before I start again, I'd like to acknowledge first our panelists. First with Ms. Marlene Smith of Mandarin Bay, Miss Sheila San Hernandez from Must Be San Retail Corp. Miss Jane Andres from La Jolla Luxury Beach Resort. Miss May Abigail Legaspi, Gulgad, yes, from Manila Hotel. Mr. Mon Aldrich Monasilio from Manila Prince. Miss Abigail de la Peña, represented by Mr. Rico Duque of GDS International Travel Agency. And then Mr. Manolito Pineda from DMCI. Miss Ashley Makalalad, our partner, PATA LPU, Pacific Asia Travel Association. Mr. Jed Ernest Uitienko from Royal Caribbean. Miss Irish Lynn Duque of TravelMate. Meron po ba from Uniqlo dyan? Hindi yata dumating. So, I think that's it. Our friends from the media, good afternoon. Looking around this room, I feel nothing but gratitude. Seeing our partners, media friends, and supporters gathered here makes this moment so much more meaningful. You are not just here to witness a launch. You are here because you believe in the spirit of travel and in what the World Travel Expo stands for. And for that, I want to say thank you. Today, we open the doors to World Travel Expo Year 9, happening on October 17, 18, and 19, here at Space at One Ayala, Makati City. Being here in Makati, a city known for its energy, creativity, and modern charm, is the perfect stage for this milestone. When we first brought World Travel Expo to different cities, we discovered something powerful. People do not just come to the promos, the discounts, or the exhibits. They come because they want to connect, to be inspired, and to feel part of something bigger. And that is exactly what makes this community so special. This year, we promise even more. Amazing deals, interactive booths, cultural showcases, and experiences that will remind us that why travel brings so much joy. But beyond all of that, it is the friendships we build, the partnerships we strengthen, and the memories we create together that truly make this event shine. And the journey does not stop in Makati. I am proud to share that after this celebration, we will continue with World Travel Expo at Manila Bay this coming November 14, 15, and 16. Another opportunity to bring people together, discover beauty, and explore freely. To everyone here, please know that your presence and support mean the world to us. You are the reason this event continues to grow, and you are the reason we are excited to step into year 9 with hearts full of hope. Let us discover beauty, let us explore freely, let us make this journey unforgettable together. Magandang hapon po muli.
Thank you, Ms. M. And now it's about time for us to get to know our panelists who took time out from their busy schedule to join us and get to know face-to-face our media people. So let's start off with the first property joining us for this event, Mandarin Bay. Let's play the AVP. in our panelists is one of the sales team of Mandarin Bay, Miss Marlene Schmidt. Panelists, please introduce your property to the press.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Marlene Smith, Sales Account Executive of Mandarin. Actually, we have 5 properties in Mandarin Premier. Mandarin Bay is a 5-star hotel, and we also have 4 properties located in Beachfront Station 2 and 3. And we also have a budgeted hotel located inside the mall. And Mandarin Bay, we have 365 rooms. Only 5-star beachfront hotel in Station 2, Boracay. Longest pool in the island, with convention center that can accommodate 300 to 500 bucks. With all dining that offers unlimited seafood, paluto, and unlimited prime rib steak. For 4-star hotel, we have Mandarin Nest and Mandarin Island. Beachfront Station 2. Mandarin Island is 17 years in operation. But last 2019, we renovated it. We have 52 rooms. And for Mandarin Nest, we have 77 rooms. We also have conference room in Mandarin Nest that can accommodate 30 bucks. We also have sky bar and sunset dance if napapanood niyo po sa TikTok yung nagtitrending na Mandarin Nest. Ayan. And we also have Mandarin White Sands Station 2, a 3-star hotel. As of now po, nire-renovate siya pero meron pa rin naman kaming rooms na ino-offer. 3-star siya na gagawin ng 4-star. Kaya siya naka-renovate ngayon. We also have 8 by the beach restaurant, 2 pools, regular and kiddie pool. And for budgeted hotel, Island Inn Boracay, the only budgeted hotel na may keycard rooms. Keycard for budgeted since yung sa iba po yung mga susi-susi lang, ganyan. Sa Island Inn Boracay, keycard na po for security na rin, na mas secured ang rooms nila. Then, ayun lang po.
Thank you, Miss Marlene. Of course, she is joined by Miss Villa Victoria, also from Mandarin Bay, Boracay. Our next panelist is Must Be Sun Retail Corporation. And joining us is the sales manager, Ms. Sheila San Hernandez.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sheila Sun Hernandez from Must Be Sun. So, sa company kasi, this is the Must Be Sun. So, for most of you who are travelers, mas kilala niyo po yung brands na hawak namin, which is PacSafe, U-Elements, Outbound, and also Travel Time. So, meron kami, hindi lang po kwarto ang ino-offer sa event na ito, but kami po, ang i-offer po namin ay i-equip po namin kayo during your journey. So we have luggages, promotions. Ito po yung gustong marinig ng mga tao. Ano ba yung promotions na ibibigay namin? We have a set na up to 50 to 60% off na po yung mga maleta namin. And of course, next na itatanong sa akin, kung matibay ba? Yes, kasi kami po mismo gumagamit sa office namin to make sure that all the items that we release is matibay. So, ayun. I think, I hope for PacSafe naman, we have a special discount for this event, up to 40% off yung pamimigay po namin for this event to equip everyone, and ito po ay para sa mga customers na pupunta po sa event na ito. Sana po makita po namin kayo doon. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Sheila. Moving on to our next panelist, let's get to know more about La Jolla Luxury Beach Resort, Zambales.
Hi, we're not from Zambales. La Jolla Hotel and Beach Resort is located in Bagac, Bataan.
Bataan, yes.
We are a 60-hectare property, and we have 108 room accommodations from 35 square meters to 85 square meters that can accommodate 2 persons to 8 persons maximum. And our ongoing promotions now is we give 10% discounts on our pre-holiday season sale, meaning you can get 10% off when you book from September 15 to October 15. Our Halloween package, our Christmas Eve package, and New Year's Eve package. And for the coming Travel World Expo, we are giving 5,000 per room per night during weekdays, and overnight room accommodations on weekends for 6,000. So if you're interested, you may get our calling cards and our flyers here. So you can also see our facilities and amenities, because we are a hotel and beach resort, so definitely. We do have a beach and 3 swimming pools. We have function rooms for weddings and for conferences or seminars. And we are building a 1,000 person capacity of a convention center, soon to be available by next year summer. So thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Jane Andres, the Marketing Communications Manager of La Jolla Luxury Beach Resort in Bagak, Bataan. So this time, let's get to see the property. There you have it, La Jolla Luxury Beach Resort in Bataan. We would also like to acknowledge the sales manager, Miss Cherry Valentin. Maraming salamat po for joining us. And this time around, another institution. We are very proud to have this property with us, the flagship carrier of the Philippines in terms of hotel accommodations, Manila Hotel. Thank you. And joining us from Manila Hotel is the Marketing Communications Manager, Ms. May Abigail Legaspi Magiging.
Thank you, Ms. Jenny. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Abby from the Manila Hotel. This is actually our first time to join World Travel Expo, and we're very excited to be a part of it. So as seen on the video, we have more than 500 well-appointed guest rooms. We have 22 function rooms, including our the most popular ones, the Fiesta Pavilion, the Centennial Hall, and the Manila Ballroom. And then we also offer prestige cards where you can get discounts in our restaurants like the buffet, Cafe Ilang Ilang, Champagne Room, Red Shade, and Tap Room. And then, for more than 100 years, we have welcomed celebrities and dignitaries, both local and international. And we hope to see all of you soon at the Manila Hotel so you can experience the history, heritage, and the true Filipino hospitality that we are known for. Thank you, Ms. Jenny.
Thank you, Ms. Abby. We'd also like to acknowledge one of the team members of Manila Hotel, Ms. Liza May Robles. Moving on to our next panelist, we have Manila Prince. And joining us is the sales executive, Mr. Mon Aldrich Ponancillo.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm Mon Monasilio from Manila Prince Hotel. We are located in 1000 San Marcelino Street, Armenia, just a short walk from LRT Line 1, UN Avenue Station, making us easily accessible via public transportation. As the sister company of the Manila Hotel, guests can expect the same high standard of service, well-appointed amenities, and excellent facilities that both brands are known for. Our dedicated team at Manila Prince Hotel is committed to providing you with a truly comfortable and memorable stay. We would be delighted to welcome you soon, and if you're traveling with furry companions, you'll be happy to know that we're a pet-friendly hotel. Thank you, and we look forward to having you with us at Manila Prince Hotel.
Thank you, Sir Mon. Now moving on from the hotels, let's move to the travel agencies. With us is GDS International Travel Agency, represented by the Tour and Sales Coordinator, Ms. Abigail De La Peña. And a special shout out, of course, to Mr. Rico Duque. Sir Rico?
Hello, magandang umaga. So, magandang tanghali sa everyone here in the conference. So, my name is Rico Duque, and I am honored to represent GDS Travel Agency as new player in the travel industry. It's truly encouraging to see that event that World Travel Expo opened doors for emerging agencies like ours to be part of such dynamic opportunity. So, GDS Travel Agency, we specialize in business travel solution with a strong focus on China and Philippines travel, from factory visits, sourcing trips to MICE, events, and fully customized travel experience. At the time, we also take pride in bringing Chinese clients to the Philippines for both tourism and business opportunity. What set us apart is our commitment to transparency and providing detailed information, ensuring our clients will always confident, secure, and well prepared through their journey. Our mission is simple: to bridge opportunity between Philippines and China and beyond, transforming travel into growth and meaningful connection. We are excited to bring a strong connection and partnership here in World Travel Expo. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Rico from GDS International Travel Agency. And we have with us one of our sponsors, Uniqlo, represented by the team, Ms. Mary Rose De Paz, Pink Miranda, Eric Arroyo, and Jason Yao. And moving on, we have DMCI, one of the properties in the World Travel Expo. Okay, and representing DMCI is the Sales Director, Mr. Manolito Pineda.
Thank you. We're happy to be part of this big event, the World Travel Expo. My name is Manolito Pineda, one of the sales directors of DMCI Homes. And we are here to promote our one of the newest project ng DMCI Homes. This is, nakikita nyo dyan yung stand natin, 40s. Part ng DMCI exclusive, the high-end division of DMCI. This is located at Chino Roses here in Makati. So, kilala naman ng DMCI all over Metro Manila because our presence can be seen all over Metro Manila from Las Piñas and Parañaque of the south to Caloocan of the north. So, itong special project namin na 40s na to is will be turned over on December 2027. So, since high-end, this is the newest venture ng DMCI into the high-end division. So, talagang makikita natin yung more than 50 years na experience of DMCI in building quality and durable structure. And also, we have also projects that are outside Metro Manila, like we have also Alta Vista de Boracay in, of course, Boracay, Berton Park in Davao, and I think we have 3 projects in Baguio as of this moment. So, maraming salamat for your presence and thank you so much.
Thank you, Sir Manolito. Now let's play that AVP.
In the country, building with value, stability, and quality, bringing contentment, convenience, and peace. This is DMCI Homes.
We would also like to acknowledge the Sales Management Associate with Mr. Manolito, Ms. Tricia Samaneda. And now we'll move on to one of our event partners who will be helping us with the guest management on the day of the event. From Pacific Asia Travel Association, LPU Manila Student Chapter, we have the Director for External Affairs, Ms. Ashley Bacalala.
Hello, mabuhay everyone. So, on behalf of Pacific Asia Travel Association, I am Princess Ashley Macalala, the Director for External Affairs. So, it is an honor to usher again once more from the event of World Travel Expo. So, thank you, Miss Miles and Miss Jenny and the WTE team for having us once more. So, for those who don't know, this is our 4th year of assisting the exhibitors and guests, but not only that, but also partnering with WTE. So, we will make sure that during the event, everything runs smoothly. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Miss Ashley. We're looking forward to having you guys again with us on the team. Also, we would like to acknowledge Miss Ella Sabilo, also from PATA LPU. Thank you, ladies. Now, moving on to more exciting exhibitors joining us for WTE Year 9, we have the Royal Caribbean. Thank you. That's the Royal Caribbean. And we have with us the Business Development Manager, Mr. Jed Ernest Uytiepo, with some good news.
Thank you. So good afternoon, everyone. So I'm Jed Ernest Uytiepo from Royal Caribbean, Philippines. So we're happy and excited to be part of this World Travel Expo. Congratulations in advance. So it's our first time as well to be joining this exciting event. And as our brand tells you, it's an adventure. It's for family, friends, and for everyone who wants to try a new way of vacation. So it's Royal Caribbean Cruises. So as your event says, it's world. So we cover all over the world. So from your Caribbean to the Mediterranean, imagine your Santorini, and even to Alaska, your glaciers and your wildlife there. And of course to Asia, we have in Shanghai, going to Japan, and our flagship in Asia is from Singapore, going to Penang and Phuket. So I can't wait that each one of you, I'm sure it's one of your bucket list, so to experience world-class dining, show-stopping entertainment, and of course, make unforgettable memories as you travel. So as we say, we are excited to turn your vacation of a lifetime into a lifetime of vacations. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sir Jed. And joining, of course, Sir Jed here is Miss Melissa Mancha and Evangeline Isay Liao, also of Royal Caribbean Philippines. Thank you, ladies. And the last but definitely not the least of our panelists, we have Miss Irish Lynn Duque, the B2B sales and documentation staff of TravelMate.
Hello everybody, good afternoon po. TravelMate, your trusted travel buddies. TravelMate makes travel planning easy, enjoyable, and truly unforgettable. Whether you're after adventure, relaxation, and cultural experience, we offer tours, ticketing, cruise, visa assistance, hotel, incentive tours, and many more. We have 4 branches. Our main office is the Travel M8 Tagaytay in front of the Lake Hotel. Travel M8 SM Dasmariñas, upper ground floor beside Potato Corner, and TravelMate 1 Ayala near at the Robinson Supermarket, and our upcoming another branch is at SM Araneta branch. We don't just sell tours, we build friendship.
Thank you, Miss Irish. Can we give a big round of applause? Mas malakas naman for our panelists. Thank you. And also, I'd like to make a shout out, acknowledge the presence of the Trinoma team, Miss Shay and Sir Ian. Thank you for dropping by. Now we are